Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright folks, I'm going to show y'all a quick little custom job I done here. This is on a rosewood standard jig folding hunter. Of course it come with its own sheath, but now I done a custom sheath for it. Got the dragon scale on it, case logo, American flag on the back, and of course my maker's mark on it. A beautiful knife. Love the rosewood, very nice. But it's just a standard knife. But now I done some custom engraving on it. You can see that. It's for a guy that's retiring after 32 years of work. Got happy retirement, 3M, 32 years on it. And on the other blade, good old Roll Tide. He is a Roll Tide fan. Made me proud to put that on the blade. But like I said, it's just an average knife until it ain't an average knife. Now it's a collector's piece. We turned it from an average knife to a collector's knife. Got this beautiful sheath to go along with it. I think you ought to be real proud of that. It fits right down in that sheath, just like a glove. Just thought I'd share that with you real quick. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And just remember, I'm selling case knives and some bucks and just different knives on my website now, and they can all be customized. So go check them out. Thank y'all, and y'all have a blessed day.